Welcome to the membership tutorial on how to navigate Idea Connection. Once logged in, click Connect, then Idea Connection. Idea Connection is the best place to share ideas and solutions with industry peers all over, as well as ask questions of the membership base. If it is your first time, click here for the guide. Corporate members should click here to see the additional guidelines. Now click Log into Communities. Initially, you will see the most recent discussion topics and any recently shared files. Click Communities, then My Communities. Go to the Idea Connection Open Forum. From here you can click Add and start creating your post. Give your message a subject. Type up the content of your message here. You can attach documents with this button. Back at the top you can select whether there is a preview for attached items. Next, check out your signature at the bottom. Click to view or edit your signature line. You can then post, schedule, draft, delete, or cancel. You can also open any discussion post, then click Reply to make comments. You may also reply privately. For help, please email customerservice@downtown.org. In the next and final video, we will learn to use the Knowledge Center.